The world's population is exploding, but our farmland is finite. How can we feed so many more people using the same amount of land? Answers can be found in plant phenotyping, a field of science concerned with the quantitative measurement of the structural and functional properties of plants. In Arkansas, where rice is a $6 billion industry, understanding the functional and structural properties of crops like rice is essential to the state's economy and to the world's future. At the Arkansas Biosciences Institute at Arkansas State University, Dr. Argelia Lorence works to identify genetic sources of stress tolerance for crop improvement and to maximize the efficiency of crop selection. But she can't secure the world's food supply alone. The North American Plant Phenotyping Network endeavors to accelerate the visibility and impact of advanced plant phenotyping research, and Dr. Lorence is looking for recruits.
This organization is basically a group of scientists that really want to leverage, to really help each other to make plant phenotyping in North America better and more efficient, where we can all collaborate and benefit. And of course, we want scientists from Canada, from the US, and from Mexico, my home country, to participate and benefit from this group. You can join for free. It's simple, it costs nothing.
To become a member, log on to the site and register. You'll be joining hundreds of scientists who are already making a world of difference. Dr. Lorence's work is supported by the Arkansas Research Alliance because research matters.